Hi guys, welcome to Nami's channel. Today is also a Christmas collection tutorial. So today we are going to make this cute little stuff. So let's start it. So first we need to do a magic ring just like this. And then for the first round we need to do 6 single crochet. We put our hook in and yarn over once again to do 1 chain, and then put our hook into this circle, yarn over here, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops. So this is our very first single crochet. We can put a mark in the very first single crochet place so we can know where to do the slip stitch later. And then we just do 5 single crochet, put our hook in the hole, yarn over, and go through the 2 loops at once. And then after the 6 single crochet, we put this end to close this circle. And then we put our hook in, and in the mark place we do a slip stitch. And here put our hook in, and then yarn over, and then just pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain first. For the next round we need to do 6 single crochet increase. In the slip stitch place we put our hook in, and then we can put this end on top of our hook to carry it. And then in here we yarn over here and yarn over, go through the 2 loops. We can put a mark in, and in this stitch we need to do 1 more single crochet. And then for the following stitches we need to do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. And then after finish the 6 single crochet increase, we take out our mark. In the mark place we need to do a slip stitch, put our hook in, and then yarn over, and then pull our hook directly, just like this. Now we continue to the next round. We do 1 chain first, and the pattern for this round is 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet increase. We do first single crochet in the slip stitch place, and then we put a mark in. And for the next stitch we do a single crochet increase, which means in this stitch we do 2 single crochet, and then just 1 single crochet, and then 1 single crochet increase. After the very last single crochet increase we take out our mark, and then put our hook in the mark place, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch to finish this round. And then for the next round we are doing this little half circle here. We do 1 chain first, and then in the mark place here, we do a half double crochet, and we yarn over here, and then put our hook in, yarn over. We should have 3 loops on our hook. We yarn over and go through the 3 loops at once. In here, in the same stitch, we need to do 3 half double crochet in total. So after finish the 3 half double crochet, in the next stitch, this one, we do a slip stitch. We put our hook in and yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. And then we just repeat the pattern, 3 half double crochet in the same stitch, and the next stitch is a slip stitch. We just repeat this to finish this round. For the next round is 3 half double crochet in the same stitch. Lay yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, and then go through the 3 loops at once. Just repeat it 3 times. In the next stitch, we do a slip stitch. I have one more to go. Here in the same stitch, we do 3 half double crochet. And then in the next stitch, we do a slip stitch. Here. Oh. And then we need to back to the first stitch, do one more slip stitch to finish this round, just like this. And then we do 1 chain, then snip this off. And now we are going to make this circle part in the center. We grab this yarn and then put our hook, and this is the front face. Put our hook in the center of the front face, and then hook press this red one on the back, yarn over here, and then grab it. So we have this one, and now we just like this, follow the circle, and here is the same. We put our hook in the top place and then yarn over here. Now we have 1 slip stitch, and then we just follow this little circle. And then after we finish, we just drag our hook like this, and then snip it off. And here in the same stitch from the back, we put our hook in, and then grab this red color to the back, and we can organize the yarn a little bit. Use the needle to whip them in. So this is all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next time. Bye.